Okay, so for speed training for isokinetic lower extremity stuff, we're going to go ahead and set this up. We've turned this around, we've lowered it so that this is now at hip height, not waist height. So it's pretty low, that's pretty close to the ground. And we're going to work the range. We're going to have that available range. We will not use all of that range. And then down to here. And then from there, I have it on the 120 degrees per second. We're going to go to isokinetic. Hit start to free the machine up. And then we're going to go really slow with the first few here, just to make sure that the form is right, because I want to make sure my abs are nice and solid here. My glutes are firing. I'm putting my thighs against this. I can use this for counter pressure, this for counter pressure. And then from there, I'm pushing into combined knee flexion, hip extension. I can go right over from there into hip abduction. Do 10 there and then roll right over there into combined knee extension and hip flexion with more of a kicking motion. I just want to make sure I stand far enough away from this so that it doesn't hit my other leg. So I let the knee bend and I straighten. Let the knee bend and straighten. You'd be surprised how fatigued the leg that you're standing on gets. So that's at 120. I can speed that up a little bit. And repeat the process. Abduction. And again, just make sure that's not going to hit your other leg. And you have to be careful about flinging it into hyperextension. You don't want to snap your knee like that. It's just a very functional pattern. And then from there, basically going over to the other side and repeating that process on this side. So now I'm going to take that out. Come over here. This one we're going to try. Pretend like it was my first time on this. I'm only going to go about 60 degrees per second. So from here, again, I'm locked in. Make sure it's not going to hit my other side. So those are concentrics. Out. See, I'm kind of reclining on this. So that's lower extremity.